Yes, just disconnected for a minute, so I don't know what happened, but let me just refresh the sound. Alright, that should have fixed something. Let me also go to Twitch. Yeah, I guess my Wi-Fi just dropped for a minute there. Let us go here. Yeah, that just died. Okay, that sucks. Means that I have to do more work. Ugh. So annoying. Cool. Just wanted to fix that. Alright. So everything should be back now. But yeah, so this lerps from there to there, so we need to actually clamp this between the sine amplitude. So I think it would be sine plus 1, because I think sine returns plus and minus 1, yeah. So it's sine plus 1.0 over 2. That way, yeah. So this should give us, so this converts, this is 0, this is minus 1 to 1. This converts it to 0 to 2. And then this converts it to 0, or from 1 to, yeah, this will convert it down from 0 to 2 to 0 to 1. So yeah, that should work. And so this is from 2, yeah, okay. So we go back and forth. All right. And so let us add that here, and we'll call the, or we'll add this to here, and this will be the text flash component. And we will set the from color to be something like that, to be completely white, something like that. And I guess it'll get dimmer as it does that. Okay. So that should work. And we set this to be active all the time, and we will fix this a bit later. But now if I did that right, oh, something broke. What break? Oh, you break. Okay, that's fair. So this is that. Okay, that should be fine now. So as you can see, it kind of lerps between the two. That needs to go way faster than that. Let's say 5. Yeah, we'll say 2.5. Probably want to set this to invisible to start. Press space thing, that needs to be 2.5. Actually, that needs to be probably about 5. No, not 5, but like 3.5. 5 was too fast. Okay. I think that's fine. So what we'll do is we'll keep that inactive to begin with, and then what we will do is in the dialog, say the dialog controller, have a public game object, press space indicator, I guess. Or we'll just say hint, press space hint. Yeah, hint will work. That's kind of what it is. It's like a hint. And so when we show a new segment, we want to set it to inactive. And then, animate show text, yeah. And then when it's done, we want to set it to true. And then when the coroutine gets interrupted, we will also need to set it to true. and then when we hide, we need to set it to false. Or actually, no. When we initialize the text here, we need to set it to inactive. There we go. So I think that will now appear at the appropriate times. Whoops, it's unassigned. Yep. So in dialog, this is unassigned. Yeah, there we go. Okay. So now segment 1, it appears. Cool. We get rid of it. Cool. And then we do that. Yep. All right. I think that's working. And then it goes away. Cool. Love it. So now we just need to stop having this actually check for stuff. So what we'll do is we'll have what will we do? Have a public void advance. Yeah, just say advance. And then this will go in here. And yeah, it doesn't need to be in the update, basically. And now in the HUD component, we will have a public void advance dialog. So this will just be dialog.advance. Advance. Cool. And then what we need to do is in the player component, player controller component, what we need to do is we need to say handle input. We need to say if input.get key down, it'll be keycode.space. What we'll do is we'll say get component or find object of type. It'll be the HUD controller component, it'll be the HUD component, and it will be .advance dialog. Just do that. Then it will say if dialog, say if not dialog dot active or dot game object dot active self, then it'll return. So if the dialog is inactive, we don't want to do anything. And so now, in theory, this should work. So now we press space, yep. And now pressing space doesn't do anything. Okay, perfect. Now it's completely removed from anything. Yeah, things completely removed. It's awesome. Love it. Okay. Yeah, now I think that's going to be it. It does say, yeah, I think that's going to be it, because I can't think of anything else I want to do. I really just need to work on the art and the content for this, so yeah, I'm trying to think of any other ways this can be improved, but I don't think it can. It's going to suck that the second stream is so short, but it's not really anything I can do about it. So yeah, yeah, I guess that's it. So yeah, I'll work on this a little bit off camera. I will try to add, I say try, I will definitely add some music. I will definitely do the rest of the art, and then I'll get some better character images and stuff like that. But anyway, thank you for watching. I will see you guys later. I don't know if I'll stream later today, but I will definitely stream tomorrow because tomorrow's Monday. Yeah, definitely stream tomorrow at 11 Central, and then, or 11 a.m. Central, and then we'll have some gaming stuff at 2 Central. Yeah, some gaming stuff at 2 Central. So anyway, Thank you for watching, and I will see you when I see you.